Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Escocoin. Ticker symbol is Esco, ESCO. This token just got listed on CoinMarketCap and it's in the top gainer section as well on CoinMarketCap. It is up 108.35% right now. This is a meme token with a mashup of a couple different memes here. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Escocoin is a mashup of basically Pablo Escobar, which is been used many times in different meme coins. I'm sure there was Pepe Escobar. There's been so many that I can't even remember. And then also, the Simpson tokens are doing very well right now, especially the Homer token did extremely well. I think it went up like 60,000 times or something like that. Or not 60,000 times, sorry. That would be insane. 60,000%. 60,000 times. That would be, you would be, Elon Musk basically. But anyways. The Escocoin is a mashup of a Simpson character and Pablo. And basically just like just yesterday I posted a video called Simpson Trump, which is very similar. And it's a character that you saw maybe in 1 or 2 episodes on The Simpsons. And then now we have the coin based off them because both of those memes are very popular, just like Simpson Trump. Now, this token's up 90% right now, but there is a big warning at the top of the CoinMarketCap page here. It says, smart contract of the following asset can be modified by the contract creator. For example, disable selling, change fees, mint new tokens, or transfer tokens. Please do your own research and proceed with caution. Now, when there's warnings like that, it doesn't necessarily mean like 100% that this token is going to be a scam, but it definitely has a big potential to be a scam when they can alter the smart contract like that. So thoroughly do your own research before even thinking about getting this token. You do not want to get scammed or rugged. Now, there's warnings there for a reason. When they can disable selling, do all that sketchy stuff, you can definitely be scammed. So be aware of that and thoroughly do your own research. Now, if you look at their Ether scan here, so far they have 975 holders. So they just got listed on CoinMarketCap. They're almost at 1,000 holders. 4,980 transfers so far, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply here of 330 trillion Esco coins. There is a fully diluted market cap of about $1.7 million right now, so they're doing very well. Their Twitter, which I always put in the corner of the page here, at Escocoin, 8,015 holders, and they just joined in May 2023. Very active on Twitter, 40 tweets so far, and lots of Simpsons memes on there as well. Their Telegram, 786 subscribers at Escocoin Official. You can find all those links on CoinMarketCap. Now, this is an Ethereum token, so basically if you wanted to buy this token, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the Esco token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap. You could also find this token, or you could also find the contract address on their Etherscan or their webpage. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And I don't believe there is taxes. I don't see anything about taxes on their webpage, just scrolling through here, so you may not have to set slippage. And just be aware there is going to be a little bit of network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Now, it looks like they have many links, and they even have like an embedded Uniswap link right on their webpage too, called the Esco Swap. So you can get in, you can just use it right on their webpage basically too at escocoin.com. It even has step-by-step how to buy in case you didn't understand what I said. There's a buy now button. They have links to all their socials. And CoinGecko is not lit up yet. So it looks like CoinGecko will be, it'll be listed on there soon. Now they have a DEX Tools link as well. You might be able to buy it off DEX Tools. We can check out their DEX Tools score there in a second to see if there's any warnings on there and what can be, what exactly is the problem with the contract address, like what security issues they have. So it says, discover Esco, the profit maker, known to those who know it best. Esco, the coin that puts the fun in funds. If you know who Esco is, then you know he's the king of crypto. And if you don't know who he is, well, let's just say you're not invited to the party. Introducing Esco, the coin that puts the fun in funds. Esco is not your average meme coin. It's a coin with a purpose to provide fun and lighthearted approach to the world of cryptocurrency, while also offering potential value to the holders. We believe that cryptocurrency should be accessible and enjoyable for everyone, and that's why we created Esco, a coin that you can hold, trade, and even share with your friends as a playful way to participate in the crypto community. So 93% of the tokens go to the liquidity pool, according to their page here. 70% of the coins will be allocated to central exchange listings and development for the future of the project. The name Esco is a play on words with a nod to the idea of paying taxes. However, unlike other coins that have fees associated with them, this is different. There is no tax, so have fun with Esco, it says. Now, they have a roadmap. The following is a basic outline of the trajectory of the Esco coin, which intends to take moving forward. However, we do not plan to reveal all our plans immediately. Anticipate unexpected developments throughout the journey. Phase 1 is going to be the launch phase, renounce contract, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listing, get Esco trending on Twitter, community partnerships, decentralized exchange listings, 10,000 plus holders. Phase 2 is going to be central exchange listings, Esco, number 1 meme coin, tier 1 exchange listings, 50,000 plus holders, and then the rest is history, it says. So I was just thinking when I was reading that, anticipate unexpected developments through the journey, like being rugged. Well, hopefully that does not happen. But they have an 85 out of 99 DEX score here. So if you look at their DEX, their Go Plus security thing on DEX Tools, it says they can blacklist users. So that is the big warning there. So just be aware that they can blacklist the users from selling the token, and that could be real sketchy. There's that big warning there also on CoinMarketCap. So definitely take this token with a grain of salt. Do your own research. It's a brand new token. Just got listed on CoinMarketCap and is in the top gainer section. So it is doing very well right now. And besides that, I am not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.